Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best window insulation is probably one of the most crucial upgrades you can make to your home during winter to significantly reduce energy waste and keep your living space warm and cozy. In this video, we will explore various window insulation options available on the market, comparing their effectiveness, ease of installation, and overall value to help you choose the perfect solution for your home and budget. Number 5. Duck Brand Window Kit. This winter, keep the cold air out and your energy bills down. It's easy to install and makes a big difference. You'll barely notice it's there. The clear film shrinks to create a tight seal, blocking drafts and cold air. The kit comes with everything you need, plenty of film to cover 10 windows, and double-sided tape for a secure fit. It's simple to apply, following the instructions. You'll be saving energy in no time. This is a smart way to save money and help the planet. It's a simple solution for a warmer, more energy-efficient home. This kit is designed to perfectly fit 10 standard-sized windows, providing comprehensive insulation. What we like? It's a complete kit, easy to install, and the crystal-clear film won't obstruct your view. If you have many windows to cover and want a simple solution, this is perfect for you. It's ideal for those who want a hassle-free way to improve window insulation without sacrificing light. This kit provides great value for the number of windows it covers. What people say. These are working to cut down on cold air getting into the basement. They were easy to install and worth the money. It worked immediately and you could feel the difference before I even started the second window in the room. Great heat retention, good stickiness of the tape. The film is a decent thickness, there was plenty of tape, and the instructions were easy to follow. I can really tell it's helping with the drafts and the temperature near the windows. Number 4. Frost King V73 Kit. This window insulation kit is a simple solution to keep your home warm and cozy all winter long. It's highly durable and easy to install, adding significant value to your home. Installation is a breeze. You'll be able to enjoy the benefits of reduced drafts and energy savings in no time at all. It's built to last. The high-quality materials ensure it will withstand the test of time and provide reliable performance. Remember to remove it during warmer months to avoid damage from sunlight and stress. For best results, reapply it yearly. It helps seal out drafts, reducing your energy bills and keeping your home comfortable. Enjoy the warmth and savings it provides. This product is manufactured with high standards in China, ensuring quality and affordability. What we like? This is a highly durable and user-friendly option. If you're looking for a budget-friendly solution that's easy to install and will last, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those on a tight budget who still want effective window insulation. Consider this if you need a cost-effective way to reduce drafts. What people say. Moved into a new house recently, and when winter rolled around, I noticed a window would let cold air into the house, especially on windy days. I didn't have time to reseal the windows, so got this given the price, and it works really well. It's a night and day difference. It was a bit awkward to install if you are doing it by yourself, but it's easily doable. However, it has fully sealed the window and stopped cold air from coming in. Bought these 3 years in a row now. My house has a lot of windows, and tends to be a bit cold in some rooms because of the windows. These help immensely. Reasonably strong adhesive straps, plastic is easy to trim, getting out the wrinkles is a breeze if you know how to properly use a heat gun. I've never melted a hole in the 3 years I've been using these. Plastic a couple of draft windows every year. Easy to install. Fit great and good value. Clear plastic and not flimsy. Number 3. XFasten Window Tape. This winter, keep the cold out and the warmth in with our innovative window sealing tape. It's easy to apply and creates an airtight seal, perfect for all your windows. It's strong enough to last for multiple seasons, yet removes cleanly without leaving any sticky residue behind. Say goodbye to damaged paint and surfaces. This versatile tape adheres to wood, metal, plastic, and aluminum. It's the perfect solution for sealing drafty windows and AC window gaps, no matter the material. Enjoy its benefits for up to 8 seasons. It provides a reliable seal that keeps your home comfortable throughout the winter months. Even if you've never sealed windows before, you'll achieve professional results with this tape's pressure-sensitive adhesive. It's quick and easy to use. This winter window seal kit is your solution for blocking cold drafts and keeping your home warm and energy efficient. Enjoy the comfort and savings. What we like. It's strong, residue-free, and lasts for years. If you want a long-lasting, easy-to-apply solution that won't damage your window frames, this is it. It's perfect for renters or those who don't want to deal with sticky residue. This is the best option if you value a clean removal and long-term performance. What people say. The adhesive is strong enough to withstand extreme temperatures, moisture, and UV exposure but is translucent so you can't see it. It also has a resistance to aging and degradation, making it a reliable choice for long-term weather sealing. It is a little thick but applies very easy and seals up the gaps. The thickness and texture is perfect. Room temperatures are so much warmer now. Number 2. Frost King V76 Kit. It's a shrink window kit, perfect for adding value to your home. It's designed for easy installation and long-lasting use. This kit is built to last. You'll find it's incredibly simple to put up, saving you time and effort. With its generous size, it's ideal for covering large windows. You'll get excellent protection from the elements. The clear material ensures you won't lose any natural light. Enjoy a bright and comfortable space. It's manufactured to high standards. You can trust in its quality and reliability. Upgrade your home with this superior shrink window kit. Enjoy warmth, comfort, and energy savings this winter. What we like. This is another durable and user-friendly option at a great value. If you need a simple, effective solution for window insulation, and don't need a large quantity, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a reliable product without a lot of fuss. Consider this if you are looking for a simple solution for 1 or 2 windows. What people say. Very easy to use and apply, very clear and see-through, no airflow gets through. Works well with my wide windows, very durable and not too thick. After applying the tape around my entire window, I unfolded the film and it went up very quickly and easily. I live in a corner unit loft apartment with 12 7-foot-tall windows. This is my first year in such a space and I soon came to realize that my windows, although double pane, are no match for the extreme cold winter days, especially because they are so large. Desperate to find a solution to cut down the draft, I decided to give this product a try. I must say that installed, it makes a huge difference. Number 1. Duck Brand Window Kit. Say goodbye to drafty windows and hello to energy savings. This kit is perfect for large windows and patio doors, helping you keep your home warm and cozy all winter long. Each kit contains crystal clear shrink film and durable tape. You'll also get easy-to-follow instructions for a seamless installation. It's simple to use. Just measure, cut, apply the tape, and shrink the film with a hairdryer to create a snug, airtight seal. With its generous size of 84 inches by 120 inches, it's ideal for larger windows and patio doors, unlike other kits on the market. It effectively blocks drafts and air leaks, reducing your energy bills and keeping your home comfortable. Plus, it removes cleanly when the season changes. For best results, clean your windows before installation. It's designed for indoor use only and removes easily at the end of the season. You'll only need a few simple tools, a measuring tape, scissors, and a hairdryer. Everything else is included in the kit. What we like. This kit is perfect for larger windows or patio doors. If you have large windows or patio doors and need a solution that's easy to install and remove, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those who want to effectively insulate larger glass surfaces. This is the best option if you need to cover extra large windows or patio doors. What people say. These kits work amazing. I did them all by myself, but I would not suggest this for the patio plastic kit. It was very difficult. As far as my other windows where I used this plastic, they are all securely intact and I have no moisture or mildew. Our house is not feeling drafty like it was the past years and there's no cold emitting from the windows. The material for some reason was a lot easier to handle and get in place when it came time to stick it up. Shrunk down real nice. This is my brand from now on. The first time I installed this I put it on the window frame, and while that definitely helped with the cold air from the 4 large old windows along the front of our home, I could still feel a draft. So, I removed the plastic and redid it. This makes a big difference in the warmth of our living room. We have an old home with old single-pane windows, so this solution is not 100% blocking. Adding pleated shades is the final piece that keeps those ancient windows from driving up our winter heating costs. These were easy to install, just follow the directions and they go on just as stated. Once heat was applied, it tightened the rest of the way to become essentially invisible. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.